So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click use this template. And now we're about to get into the portion of the tutorial where I'm showing you what's in the editor. So now I've clicked on that template from my profile and it has been opened in the Kittl editor, which means I can now click on anything in this template, and we're going to say Kittl demo. I would never put that on a coffee label, but I can edit this to my heart's content. I can do things like change the background color to anything I want. Maybe we want it to be kind of like a darker orange or something like that. I can go and I can change the texture. I can mock it up. All these things we're going to go through step by step. So no worries. I'm just giving you an overview of what happens when you click on a template. Now, let me go back to my profile for a second, because let's say you just want to get in and start messing around. You don't really want to add a template just yet. I mean, maybe you clicked on one and you were like, oh, okay, that's what happens. I don't really want to do that. There is no worries. You can absolutely start a brand new project from scratch. So if you go up here to the top right, you can just click new project. So I'm going to hit new project right now. What it's going to do is provide you with a couple of setting options. So you see here, it's going to ask you, well, what kind of artboard size would you like to do? You can come over here and you can input it independently. So for example, if I wanted this to be 2000, then I can have it 2000 by 1200. I can change the pixels to inches or millimeters, and I can also change my DPI. I can change my orientation. I can add margin if I want to, which we'll talk about as well. Or I can pick one of the preset templates. So maybe I want to go to social, or maybe I want to go to marketing, or like many of our users, maybe we're into print on demand. And so for example, I'm going to be making a Printful t-shirt. So I'll go ahead and select this one. It's already adjusted it over here, and now I can just hit create. And so now I've got a blank project. I didn't open up a template, and I'm ready to start editing. I'm ready to start creating. But let's say that you either did open up a template or you opened up a new project by itself and you wanted to continue browsing. Well, you can see over here on the left side, we do have a templates panel, and you can see more labels that were shown from when I clicked this, because I was in the labels category. It opened it up in the project, and then it also opened up the labels panel. So if I wanted to do something similar, like let's say I like this layout, but I also like this whiskey one, well, I can just click on that whiskey label and it added it to the board. And so now I've got both of these in the same board. Just like I did that here, if I go back to the project where I just clicked new project, I didn't click on a template, I can still go over here in the left side panel, and let's say I really like this bag. I can click that one and it will add it to my board. So I can still add templates to my project without having to go back and forth between my profile. This is going to save you so much time. And you can see these categories up here, where if I wanted to go to social, I can still go through and I can go through social. Or if I wanted to go up here and type in a specific keyword like minimal, it's going to show me minimal designs. And that way I don't have to keep going back and forth all the way back here to my profile. I can just go into whatever project I am in, whether or not I clicked on a template like this one where I added it, or I started a brand new project from nothing and I open up the panel and I start searching and add it to it.